All right, guys, I was going home one afternoon and I noticed a pickup truck down an embankment near a creek. And I don't know exactly how this accident happened. There were two vehicles involved, but as you can see, it was a beautiful day. It's a country road, so there's not a lot of traffic, but something happened between this pickup truck and a smaller car. And when I was pulling up, they were hauling the smaller car away, but I could not tell how this accident occurred. The truck is really not damaged too much from what we can see. There may be damage on the other side, but I got there in time to film the extraction of the vehicle, and that's what we're going to watch right now. I hope you enjoy. Well, there you go. I do not know much about the accident, how it occurred, but I do know that that was an interesting way to get a pickup truck out of a creek. And that is some good stuff.